Right Tools for Right Job by Noor Ali. This is your host. These are common devices that you find them. Network card, network port. This is a rack mount, okay? A typical rack where we use TCP/IP, and heavy equipment goes there, lighter equipment goes on top. This is your power line, this is UPS, okay? And all these devices that you see in here, we support them, right? We take care of them day in and day out, 24/7. It's 365 days in a data center. If you've been in a data center or command center, this is where we at. This, what you see in here, are covered in A+, Server Plus, Security Plus, and other OEM vendor certification. This over here is a network crimper, Ethernet. And this one here is a card. This one here is like a USB stick. So get to know this, get to understand this. This is the world of information technology, system technology. And this is where we spend quite a bit of time. This is your host, Noor Ali, Right Tools for Right Job.